Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing basically an anti-haul. I'm going to go through all of the new makeup coming out on Trend Mood's page, and we're just going to discuss whether or not I'm going to buy them, whether or not I think it's worth the money, whether or not I'm anti-hauling them. So I feel like there's a lot of things that are coming out that I am really interested in, and a whole lot that I am not interested in. Also, before you mention it, my highlighter looks crazy. I know it does. From this angle, you can see it like a shadow and it looks kind of insane. But we're gonna move past it because that's not what this video is about right now, okay? That's not what this video is about. So if you guys want to know what I will and will not be buying in the upcoming weeks, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm saying. If you're not already subscribed, to yourself. I post sometimes when I can. I do my best, as we all should be doing, I think. And I feel like you're gonna be here when I do. If you like anything that has to do with luxury, beauty, fashion, anything like that, it's like this is definitely where you're gonna be. So you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just Decay Danger. I post every single day over there, okay? Every day I'll have maybe an outfit of the day on there, or I'll have my makeup of the day. I just post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. All right, so I just scooched, and we're gonna throw some pictures up here. So the first thing that I'm pulling up from Trend Mood's page is by Glossier, and this is the Cloud Paint Plush Brush. No, wait. Cloud Paint Plush Blush and Brush. I am not going to get this. And the simple reason is because, well, I mean, I have way too many blushes. That's not even the reason, though. That's not even the reason. The reason is that I'm not Glossier's customer, okay? I think we could all agree, just by taking one glance at what's up with the face, I'm not the one for Glossier. Glossier really focuses on, like, no makeup, and not that these really look like they're no makeup. They actually look fine. I just don't really buy anything from Glossier, so I don't see a reason why I would buy this. That's it. Real easy, real simple. This is one that I have been dying to talk about. I really wanted to do this video specifically. I just smacked my mic. Specifically for this, okay? The Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked Palettes. Like, listen, here's the thing about me. Hourglass's products just do nothing for me. They just look like ash to me. And I know that they're not like that. I have seen people with even deeper skin tones than me apply these and they look great. But like, I'm just not, I don't care. I don't care. And everybody is going freaking bananas over these things. Everybody is like, oh, I have to get the new one. And I know every year a lot of people get these. And that's obviously why they keep coming out with them. But like, I just don't want them. This is not the kind of makeup that I like. I like more punchy colors in your face, and this is just not that, which is fine. That's definitely for a specific group of people. I'm just not in that group. This is the solitary most random thing I've ever seen. Honestly, Mugler coming out with a makeup line, I love that. I honestly think they should do that just as themselves. I think that would do really well, and I feel like there's a lot that they could do there. I see it. But with L'Oreal, like what the It's so random for the knowest of reasons. So there's eyeshadow palettes, there's a foundation, which is so random, a magnetic radiance stick, which is what, a highlighting stick, a mascara. Oh, they do have a liner, intense black, precise liner, single stroke, waterproof eyeliner. I probably will check out the eyeliner. I'm not gonna lie to you. The foundation, maybe, it looks like it's kind of like the tier foundation, like it's a cushion foundation. I'm definitely not getting the highlighter stick. Are you kidding me? Look at that. No, I also don't really like highlighters that are not powders. Anything that's not a powder, I'm not interested in. Although the powders betrayed me today, so who am I to talk really? I'm interested in the eyeliner though. I feel like that is the #1 thing that I'm going to need to try from this collection. It does look like a felt tip, which is not my favorite. I like a brush tip a lot better, but I would try it. Listen, I would try it, okay? It's gonna stop me. I'm not mad at this. I just really want Mugler to come out with their own line. I feel like that just needs to happen. Like Louis Vuitton just came out with theirs, which we will be talking about. We will be talking about that. Just you wait. But I feel like Mugler would do really well. Next up is from Gucci, the Blurring and Mattifying Tinted Powder. I don't want this because I don't really buy pressed powders at all. I'm not interested in pressed powders. I don't care about pressed powders. I like loose powders. That's what I always go for, and that's just what I'm going to continue to go for. Next up is the Bibliophilia eyeshadow palette by Byredo, and it's 18 eyeshadows, and they're all neutral, and they're all boring me to death. I actually have never tried anything from Byredo, so I can't speak to anything about the brand, but this is the most boring eyeshadow palette I've ever seen in the history of mankind. And I know this is going to be like right up somebody's alley. This is going to be like someone's favorite thing in the world. I am just not that person. I have so many freaking eyeshadow palettes that I feel like any new eyeshadow palettes coming out need to be freaking spectacular, and this one just isn't it. Now let's talk about something that I've already purchased.
Already purchased.
There's actually a couple of things that I've already purchased, but this is the Surreal Skin Natural Finish Foundation from Makeup by Murillo. This is $48, comes in 32 shades, and there's also a makeup bag that you can purchase separately with it. Why do I want that makeup bag? I don't want that makeup bag, but I did buy this foundation, and I really shouldn't have. I have so many foundations, you guys. I still have this Charlotte Tilbury foundation that I have to review, so I just have so many foundations. Why did I buy another one? I've actually never tried the Makeup by Murillo, the original, like the luminous one that he already had out. I never tried that one out because I had oily skin pretty much until I got pregnant. So that never interested me. Now that I have drier skin, now is when I'm looking into like more luminous foundations. But this one says it's a natural finish, which I can do natural finish. I like a natural finish. Next up is from Wet n Wild, and I don't know why, but this seems like the most random thing of all time. Maybe I'm the most random thing of all time. But this is the Disney and Wet n Wild Villains collab, and there's liquid liners, there's brow pencils, face gems, face masks, sponges, mascaras, blush, lip mask, highlighters. There's just so much. There's face palettes, mirrors, makeup bags, finishing sprays. There is so much in this collection, and I'm kind of mad because actually it says it's in Walmart. I just went to Walmart. Literally today I went to Walmart, and I'm mad that I didn't even like look for this. But honestly, I wouldn't have bought it anyways. Didn't ColourPop like do this exact thing already? I 100% remember a villains collection from ColourPop, and it had like all the different villains, but I think they had more villains because they also had Hades and Dr. Facilier, I think. I feel like that was done already. We could have left it there. But yeah, none of these, the eyeshadow palettes or the eye and face palettes, not doing anything for me. Stop. The mirrors are nice. The mirrors are nice. I would definitely get the Evil Queen one. The only thing I would think about is that mirror with the Evil Queen on it, because I love a good mirror. Okay, you guys know what it is. I love a good mirror. Something else at the drugstore is this NYX and Bridgerton collab. I have never seen Bridgerton. If you guys want to be shocked and appalled and angry, please feel free to do so. But I've never seen that show. I know nothing about that show. And I just know that there's like royal people in it, right? Like it's from like a long time ago, and people are like all royal and like in corsets and stuff, right? I don't know. But NYX apparently knows, and they are collabing with them, and they're coming out with some highlighters, blush palettes, lip glosses. I mean, it looks fine if you like really love Bridgerton. Honestly, if you really love Bridgerton though, I would have hopped on the Pat McGrath collab that came out like a couple of years ago. It's probably gone now. But that one was actually really pretty. I just never bought it because I didn't know nothing about Bridgerton, and I still don't. But this one doesn't look bad. It's just I'm not going to buy it. NYX is also coming out with a Wonder Snatch powder. Can you explain to me the shade range on this? Okay, because the first 5 colors are the exact same color. They are the same. You cannot convince me they're not the same. Then the last 3 have like gigantic differences. Like, how is anybody gonna find their color in this? I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm definitely not gonna be buying this. I mean, I do have so many powders. Like, there's no reason for me to buy this, but I just wouldn't anyways. And what is that? What is that shade range? Like, I'm appalled. Another thing that I have already purchased, you guys. Already purchased, should be here by Friday, along with my Makeup by Murillo foundation. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Micro Stroke Detailing Brow Pen. I got mine in the color Granite because I used to use Granite in the brow definer and the brow wiz. I like my hair in my eyebrows to have no warmth whatsoever. So hopefully that's the right color. But basically, this is just like a micro fine brow pen. I love a brow pen. The one that I'm using right now, I was using the Urban Decay Brow Blade, and I did really like that, but I ended up switching to the NYX. Is it called Lift and Snatch? I think that's what it's called. And now I'm like really, really into that pen, which honestly, if this Anastasia one doesn't work out, I'm more than happy to continue with the NYX one. But I just felt like I wanted to give this a try because it looks so thin. And I feel like that's going to give really good hair like strokes to the brows, which is what I need. The other Anastasia brow pen that I think is now discontinued, I bought it and actually I hauled it. So I'll link that video up here. I ended up returning it because it was a really fat tip and it was so dark. So I returned that one, but hopefully this one ends up being a lot better. You can even see in the swatches that like they posted, it looks kind of good, man. It looks kind of good, so I'm excited. Next up is this collection from NARS. This is a collaboration with Iris Van Herpen. And this is just, I guess this is their limited edition holiday collections. I think the packaging is freaking stunning on everything. Look at that highlighter. Listen, I don't actually like any of the products in this. Like, just looking at them, they do nothing for me, but the packaging is gorgeous. Like, I feel like I should get one thing, which this is how they get you. This is how you get sucked in. I don't know. I mean, I might pick up one thing, but just know it's not because I like the product. It's because I'm stupid and I really like the packaging. I just think the packaging is gorgeous. Usually packaging doesn't get me, but this packaging is stunning. You're not going to tell me it's not. Fenty Beauty's Grip Trip Mattifying and Blurring Primer and the Grip Trip Hydrating Primer. Spoiler alert, I bought them both and I'm actually wearing them both. So you'll probably end up seeing that video before this video, so I'll link it up here. I did end up putting one on one side and one on the other side, but before I sat down to film this video, I powdered everything so it looks exactly the same, so you can't tell right now. Haha. Next, let's talk about Shrek and ColourPop. Okay, I love Shrek. I know most people love Shrek, like who doesn't love Shrek? But I'm not buying anything from this collection. Alana actually has told me that she wants the little like lip oil with the gingerbread man on it. So like her birthday's next month, maybe I'll pick that up for her. But other than that, like for me, I'm not buying anything from this collection. I don't like the eyeshadow palette. I don't feel like the colors go deep enough for me because you guys know I'm really like weird and anal and like I need my palettes to go like almost black. So I'm probably not going to buy that. And the lip glosses look fine. Lip oil is just never my thing. I don't really care about it. The blushes look fine. Like nothing is really doing anything for me. And I don't care that much. So because of all that, I'm not going to be picking up anything from this collection. Next up, we have a collaboration between Rare Beauty and Tagine.
Is that how you say that? I don't know.
I actually don't know what Tagine is. Okay. Everyone says it's like a spice or something. Maybe I just don't use it. I don't know. I'm not picking this up. I definitely don't like the lip gloss. Like the lip gloss is like a -5 for me. This is not the kind of lip gloss that I like. I like lip glosses that are very sheer and have like almost glitter or like shimmer in them, but I need them to be almost clear so you can actually see the color underneath. That's what I like. This looks a lot more pigmented, so if that's your thing, if you like a more pigmented gloss, maybe you like this. I also don't like the color that much. As for the blush, I do actually really love the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush formula from Rare Beauty, but I feel like I have this color. I mean, it's very deep, but I don't know. I feel like I have this color. Next, let's look at MAC's Holiday Collection. Okay, let me tell you something. I used to be obsessed with the MAC collections. Okay, do you guys remember they had that one Heat collection that came in like the brown rubber packaging? I was obsessed with that. They also had that collection that was like all gray eyeshadows and then all of the lipsticks were orange. I loved that. Oh my God, there were so many MAC collections that I went freaking crazy over. When they did a collection with Rihanna, please stop it.
Stop it.
Do you remember that? I had Elver literally first in line picking me up stuff because I was at work that day. I did not play about my MAC collection. I'm like almost embarrassed, but not really, to admit that I still have a bunch of things. So this is from the Kelly Osbourne collection. You guys, that's Kelly Osbourne's signature. Thank you. From the Rihanna collection, there were more than one. So this is one of them. Then this is another one that they did. You guys, stop it. This is from the Marilyn Monroe collection. And then this, do you remember this collection? Oh, I'm not going to open the lipsticks because I don't need you judging me right now. Is this like the burning one that I was talking about? No. This is Viva Glam Miley Cyrus, excuse me. That's not the one that I was talking about. Looking at this, I feel like I just get so much nostalgia that like I want to buy something. I have a real problem. I have a real shopping problem, but I kind of am okay with that. So there's an eyeshadow palette, an oil stick, lip glass airs, which is that just a lip glass? I don't know. Jelly Shine eyeshadow, don't know what that is. Bounce and Gleam highlighter, 14 gift sets. I just feel like the feeling that I used to get when MAC collections come out or came out were like, there's nothing like it. There is nothing currently right now that makes me feel like that. So I guess that's what it is. Like, it's just nostalgia. These lipsticks, the way that they're shaped, like, I want all of them, but I need to see swatches. I can't commit because I need to see swatches. The Sugar Crystal lip oil stick, I'm gonna promise you I'm not gonna get that. I don't like lip oils or anything like that. Ooh, that one lip gloss, that like clearish one, looks real good, looks real up my alley. What is this? Jelly Shine eyeshadow. I would like to see swatches of that. I'm buying something from this collection, okay? I am buying something. Obviously, you guys already know I like luxury, okay? But I will say, I've always said, do not buy luxury makeup. I just don't think that it's worth it, in my opinion. Obviously, you do whatever you want to do. Please buy whatever you want to buy. If I say don't buy it, that doesn't mean shit. Please just go buy it if you want to buy it. But I just feel like luxury makeup is like 9 times out of 10, it's not worth it. And the reason I say that, and the reason I've always said that, is because I feel like they don't give as much oomph. They don't pack a punch quite as much as like a lot of the less expensive makeup does. So when I saw this was coming out, I was really, I wasn't interested. I originally wasn't interested. And I know Pat McGrath is like the creative director behind this. Pat McGrath does some really good makeup, although I feel like she's ignored the shit out of her brand in the last couple of years. But besides that, her makeup is good. She comes out with good stuff. I have literally all of her Mothership palettes. I have a bunch of quads. Like, I know she comes out with good stuff, but I was just never gonna buy this Louis Vuitton makeup. However, now that the prices have been revealed, I am super never gonna be buying this. Are you kidding me with these prices? Let me tell you something. I don't give a shit what kind of lipstick formula you are giving me. I don't want it for $160.
I don't want it.
I don't care what the lipstick is doing, unless the lipstick is literally going to work for me that day and I get to lay in bed. I don't give a shit. I don't want it. Now let's talk about the eyeshadow palettes, because what the flying? What is that? What is that? These eyeshadow palettes, by the way, they're quads that are like $220. Is that the correct number? What could you possibly be giving me in these 4 eyeshadows that is worth $220? And I know that a bunch of these things sold out, by the way, and I know a bunch of people got these. And that's cool. If that's your vibe, if that's what you wanted, that's fine. And I'm happy for you. I'm glad that you got what you wanted. But like, no is the thing. Last thing I want to talk about, mostly because I am exhausted and I have to put the kids to bed. This is Hung Van Gogh's new makeup line. And I have to say, like, there are so many makeup lines, especially with like celebrity artists. Like, there's just so many makeup lines, and it's like, ugh, like, I'm tired. I'm tired at this point. But look at these palettes, you guys. I don't know. I'm not tired now. I've woken up. The bronzers look so nice. And I love the red packaging. Like, I'm interested in this. I just love like how punchy it is. Like, there's color there. There is fun there. This is interesting. I am in. Oh, look at that. I cannot wait to see this. Like, is this coming to Sephora? It is coming to Sephora, September 8th. Yeah, I'm picking up something. Okay, guys, so that is it for this video. Oh my God, I talked about so many things. But let me know, what did you guys think about the things that I am picking up, that I already picked up, that I am not picking up? Are you picking up any of these things? Do you love any things? Do you hate any of these things? Let me know in the comments. I'm definitely interested. I want to know your opinion so bad. Definitely let me know what you guys think about the Louis Vuitton lipsticks and eyeshadows. And I need to know. Please let me know, because what is that? I'm sorry if you hear Leo. He's literally the loudest human being. Why is he screaming? But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This is the purple one that on one of the sides Sadie has.